Hello, everybody. Welcome back yet again to the Gathered Dreams YouTube channel. My name is Dr. CT Onyema from the Gathered Dreams. Now, this is a quick video following the immense reaction we generated from our last video that tackled the issue about caregivers, nurses, and construction workers. Now, a whole lot of you came into my email asking, are there other pathways? Let's say peradventure I'm not interested in working as a caregiver. Is there something else out there for me in Canada? Now, my answer is always yes, because there are a whole lot. Believe you me, there are huge opportunities and pathways to come into Canada comfortably, which so many people do not know. So, those of us within Canada, we might be, privileged to have some vital information that a whole lot of people out there are not aware of. We speak based on the realities on ground. So, this is a video that is in response to your plea about other possible ways. I've done something like this before a couple of months ago, but this pathway will still run till March 2026. So, I believe it's something that if you have a visiting visa and you're in Canada already, you can benefit. If you are also outside Canada and you are a skilled worker, as a matter of fact, this pathway has taken away the requirement of Lmia from these employers. So the Canadian government, they backed these employers to be able to recruit foreign candidates, even local candidates, without requiring any Lmia. Now, this is a pathway that was unveiled on April 15, 2024, and is an innovative initiative designed to boost the position of Canada in the global economy. Now, it's geared towards simplifying the process for Canadian, companies to hire highly skilled workers without needing labor market impact assessment, commonly called the LMIA. Now, if these employers happen to grant you these job offers, you are entitled to a work permit of 5 years. 5 solid years work permit in Canada. So this is what you call the innovation stream, and it has removed the issue of LMIA from these employers. So they can be able to hire from any part of the world so far they are satisfied with that candidate. So if you stay with me on this video, I'm going to share my screen in a jiffy, show you everything about this pathway, show you these companies, and give you examples of the job offers they have currently. Now, if you are not yet excited, I don't know what will excite you anymore. So stay with me in this video and I'll be able to show you everything. Don't skip. Don't fast forward to the end. Stay with me and I'll show you everything you need to know about this pathway. See you on the inside. Take care. All right, amazing people, welcome back to this inner section where I will show you everything you need to know about this program called the Global Hyper Growth Project, anchored in Canada. Now, this is a program that the federal government partnered with these 8 amazing companies, not one, not two, but 8 solid companies in order to boost and create jobs and catalyze economic growth in Canada. So it's a new scale-up service that helps companies rooted in Canada go further and faster. The project aims at bringing together the combined strength of the government and that of participating companies to meet their needs, offering solutions that are unique as the companies themselves. Like I said, you have about 8 companies that are ready to take you in grant you this work permit that will last for 5 years, and I believe you know what to do along the line. Can you take a guess? If you said permanent residency, then you're right. Now, meet the game changers. So these are select group of companies or firms, if you like, and the government are thrilled to support their journey for being major players, to becoming global powerhouses. So they went through a lot of, nomination sections, call for applications, and this group of companies were selected because they are dedicated and they are specialized in what they do. So the government of Canada, took it upon themselves to help them to grow to the next level. Now, what are these companies? These are the 8 companies that are currently seeking out highly skilled professionals to come and work for them and fill up opportunities that they have in these companies. So one of them is ADA. And you have the one they call the Alaya Care, you have the Cell Carter, the Claros, the Clio, DPG, the Disney Pharmaceutical Group, and the Lightspeed and the Viva. These Viva, they are into agriculture, Ada is into AI, Claros is into ultrasound imaging, Cell Carter, I believe, is into proteome, what do you call proteomics. The Disney is a pharma company. So I'll take you quickly and show you opportunities that you have available in these companies and how you can, maximize that opportunity. So if we start with the first one, we call the Vive Crop. Once you get to their career site, you will see click here to see the full listing. So once that is done, you will see some opportunities. This is lab assistant or a research assistant in Mississauga. The other ones are under sales in US. We are concerned about the research assistant opportunities in Canada, I should say. So once you click that, you will see about the company founded in 2006. You move down to their mission, your duties, responsibilities on the role, the skills they are looking out for, simply bachelor's in any science discipline, 0 to 3 years of experience in fields such as chemistry or chemical engineering, process engineering, material science, biology, or biological sciences. So take your time, go through these skills and experiences. If it's something that you can do, you simply click apply for this job. Once that is done, it will get you to this page where you put in your personal details and attach your resume, date available to start, desired pay. Now, for the issue of your resume, make sure it's a Canadian style resume. If you need help to do that, to tailor, to revamp, to optimize your resume, to stand a better chance, send me an email using this email right now on your screen. However, it's no longer for free. We stopped the free section sometime in May when we've given out about 50 resume optimization sections for free. It's just a little token, okay? Now, here, desired pay, do a little search about how much they pay in Canada for this role so you don't undersell yourself or oversell yourself. But as an insider, I will tell you they always have a budget. Okay, so no matter what you put in there, but it's good to sound realistic. Do that and click submit application. Okay, so that is for Vive. But over here, this is for Ada. Ada is an AI cross-commerce service company. So click on view open roles. You will see professional services consultant, solution consultant 2, and all that. Technical program manager, solutions, office manager, recruiter, a lot. Intermediate software engineer. So the IT guys, come on, jump in here. So if I click any of them, about you, 2+ years pre-sales engineering, consulting experience. So take your time, study this. If it's something you feel you can do, jump on it. The expected salary is 93,000 to 110,000. Whoops! I heard somebody scream. So that is how much you can get. Put in your details. Resume, cover letter is optional. The ones marked in red, you must answer them. From experience, recruiters, 95% of them, they don't even touch your cover letters. So focus, pay more emphasis, pay more attention to your resume. So answer all these questions as expected, and finally click submit application. That is that for other and that opportunity. The same thing goes for all the opportunities they have as well. If we look at this opportunity with the Chesney Pharma Group, what are they looking out for? So I don't think they have any opportunity right now. That's why they say no positions are currently available, but you're encouraged to submit a spontaneous application, which once you click, it will bring you to this page. Having known that this is a pharma company, tailor your CV right, my friends. Put in your personal details, put in your CV here, put in a message, confirm you're not a robot, and you send. So for clearance, same thing, attach your resume, answer all the other questions, and submit. Last but not the least, cell cutter. What are they looking out for? Cell cutter is looking out for, so this is cell cutter. What are they looking out for? Cell cutter is looking out for positions such as biosample operator. Okay, this is in Belgium. In Canada, they're looking at associate project manager one, research nursing assistant. So nurses can even come in here, senior scientist, R&D proteomics. So look at this closely. If any of this is what you feel you can do, send them your application and follow me as I show you about how to apply. Let's say you are successful and you got the job. How do you go about the work permit? That is what we'll tackle next. See you. All right. So let's say you've successfully received a job offer in a high skilled occupation from one of these employers. So simply means that you're eligible to apply for an employer specific work permit under the innovation stream. So what does that specific work permit simply mean? It means that you must work according to the conditions on your work permit, such as the name of the specific employer you can work for, how long you can work, the location, if applicable. So it's a closed permit. Now, before you can even submit your work permit application, your employer must submit an offer of employment, pay $230 employer compliance fee, and give you an offer of employment number. Once that is done, you are set for a faster processing. Okay, if your occupation is classified under tier 1 or 0. Now, who can apply? Anybody who has the job offer from these employers can apply, including those in tier 0, 1, 2, or 3. Look at this juicy part. You can bring your family. So your spouse, your common law partner, dependent children, they are eligible for what you call open work permit. simply meaning that they can work for any employer in Canada for however long they want to, so far your own work permit is still valid. All right. So, how to apply? First thing first, you must apply online. Don't apply on paper, okay? It takes longer time. Step one, generate your document checklist by answering simple questions. Those outside Canada, these are the questions you can answer. Those inside Canada, including those on visiting visa right now, this opportunity can help and save you, you know, from the experiences you are going through. Answer these questions and get those documents ready. Those documents generated by you answering these questions is what you have on the personalized document checklist. So take those documents and get them ready under this step two. Step three, check if you need a medical exam. Find a doctor. Tool will help you get an upfront medical exam before you apply. Finally, apply online. The juicy part is at this point of your application, you are sure because you have a job offer that it will not be declined. So, therefore, you do what? You prepare to arrive in Canada. So, that is in a nutshell everything you need to know about this amazing opportunity. So, in summary, what are we talking about? We have a work permit that will last for 5 years. You have 8 companies available to give you these jobs. And once you get that job opportunity, you apply for your work permit. You are eligible for faster processing period of 2 weeks. Your family can come with you. Any other dependent can come with you, and they can have the open work permit to work for any organization. And like I advised, once you get that 1 year experience, what they call the Canadian experience, apply for your PR under the Canadian experience class. If you want to know everything about it, look at this opportunity right here. So for those of us that do not desire to go for caregiver opportunities, this is a good one. Take out the time, do your due diligence. If you need help with your resume, don't forget to reach out. Send us an email requesting us to review your resume. But like I said, it is for a small token. So thank you very kindly for being with us on this one. I believe you have been blessed. You have gotten something valuable from this opportunity. Simply give us a thumbs up on this video so that YouTube can recommend it to others. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, bless us with that subscription. And also turn on notification bells because some of the things we share are actually time bound. That is the only way you can keep tab and be able to maximize our relationship together. Thank you so kindly for being with us on this one. And as usual, I'll see you in yet another one.